Give everybody just a minute to get up here. All right, so are you Trishad Tarrant? And this is 20.
This isn't just another guilty plea, this is a brutal cellmate murder case where every detail cuts deeper than the last. The stakes are high, emotions raw, and the courtroom is about to expose haunting truths.
For DCCR 1217. And Mr. Brewer, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
We will, Your Honor.
Mr. Cook, I'm so sorry.
Mr. Brewer was the guy that's actually on the
Gotcha.
vacation.
Thank you, Mr. Cook. And Mr. Tarrant, before we get started, I'm going to make sure that we're all on the same page. I know the clerk had you swear in, but she said that you didn't answer out loud, so I want to make sure we are all clear, that the record's clear. So the best you can, would you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. And it looks like in cause number 24-1217, the state has elected to proceed on the lesser included offense of the first-degree felony murder, and that's from May 21st of 2021. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they've charged you
Yes,
with?
ma'am.
I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Cook?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right, or not the district attorney, the state's attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like the agreement, is that an 8 or a 0? Is it 20?
20 years, Your Honor.
Okay. The pins are, make it a little bit funny.
Could you please get the 2 and put an 8?
Yes, sir.
Makes a
Yes,
little
sir.
bit of difference.
Yes, sir. And so you understand, if I follow this agreement, you're waiving any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, sir, do you understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Tarrant is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of that plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of the first-degree felony offense of murder. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 20 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You do receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. That will run consecutive to cause number 16808 out of Van Zant County, Texas. I am going to hand you in just a second the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you have waived your right to appeal. You are also going to be handed a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition.
Okay.
I'm required to read this to you. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk to Mr. Cook. And it's my understanding that there is a victim impact statement. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let's do this. If we can, Mr. Lewis, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was going to submit it to the court, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if somebody was here or if they
They're
wanted to.
watching on Zoom.
Okay,
They're watching the proceeding in communication with them. They are fine with me submitting it.
okay. Thank you. And did you want to read it out loud for them or just submit it to the court?
I can read it out loud.
Okay.
It's not very long.
Okay, Yes, ma'am, and we'll go off the record.
I wanted to know why this happened. I was extremely sad and just miss him. I felt helpless because I knew I was never going to see him again. I wanted answers. I wanted to hug him. I thought he was only going to be at that facility 3 days, and then he was going to be released. We even prepared his room for his arrival, but that day never came because he was murdered. My son was not a rebellious person. He had reconciled with the Lord and was ready to come home.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank y'all. You are free to go back with the bailiff.
Does he get these copies?
Yes, he can have those copies. All right, thank you.
Today, the judge sealed a 20-year sentence, justice delivered, but a family forever broken. Was this punishment enough for such a merciless crime? Share your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more gripping courtroom breakdowns.